Okay, so we are starting Number Corner for Friday the 25th, and if you're at home, hello, and we started this paper yesterday. This is a paper that's in your packet that you can download as a PDF. So what we did yesterday was we used this key over here and we highlighted different kinds of addition problems. So if we had facts that we were using zeros as an add-in, so add-ins are numbers that you're adding together to get a sum or to get the answer. If the add-ins had a zero in them, we colored that yellow. Or maybe some of you guys used a different color. I used yellow. So all of those were where we were adding with zeros. Then we skipped this one for a minute. We did doubles facts. So I'm going to have Wyatt finish my doubles facts. So Wyatt, can you grab something green over there? Grab a green crayon. Wyatt is going to be our colorer today. And what pattern did you guys notice, if you did this yesterday, what pattern did you notice when you were doing doubles?
The doubles fact,
Keep going. Emmett?
The double,
Oh, Grace?
then it goes all the way diagonal, all the way from that 0, 0, all the way.
Ooh, that's a time saver, Wyatt. Did you hear what Grace said? So we know that it's going to go diagonal all the way across. All those double facts are right there. Emmett, is that what you were going to say?
No, but like, could I be coloring that in?
Yeah, go for it. You just have to kind of catch up since you weren't here yesterday. Thanks for being so quick, Wyatt.
I got them all done.
Okay, so check your work
I
from
realized
yesterday.
And
Okay,
then-
we also did the make 10 facts. So we said if you add two numbers together and the sum or the answer equals 10, we wanted to kind of key in on those. Do you mind, will you tilt the paper a little bit, Wyatt, so that it's straight again? Thanks. Okay, so we said 0 plus 10 is 10, 1 plus 9 is 10, 2 plus 8 is 10.
I'm over for that again.
Okay, and there is a pattern here. Faith, what pattern are you going to see when you're finding problems that have the sum of 10?
So here's another thing to do. So if you see on this black part,
Yep.
it goes from 0 all the way to 10.
It does.
So you could look there, and I actually spotted something.
Okay.
Because the bottom one that's colored yellow down at the bottom,
Uh-huh.
it is supposed to be like half each because that's a 10
Yeah,
and it's a 0.
exactly. That's kind of why I did it up here. Like I did sort of like a striped thing because it kind of has two colors. So I was trying to ask you though, what's the pattern? So we saw that there was a diagonal going this way when we did our doubles. What's the pattern when we have the sum of 10? Yeah?
It's the other way, diagonal.
Yes, exactly. It's diagonal the other way. So go ahead, Wyatt. We're going to color in red diagonal across this way. You're also going to have like green and red on one square here. So if you want to make it kind of striped or whatever, you can as you go through that one. So if you haven't done that one yet, go ahead. And if you have done it, you might be picking out another color to do the add 10 facts. So we're going to do that one next, the add 10s. So Wyatt, you're going to do red, 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 red. Okay.
Oh, those
And it's kind of-
I see the
You can fill in fill it in on the side there.
We're
The
just
key.
gonna count the 7 guys. It kind of looks like.
It does sort of look pink, but that's all right. We get the gist.
Can I start the action?
Sure, if you know what you're doing, you can. Okay, the add 10s, all you're doing is finding the problems where you're adding 10 to something. So for instance, 4 plus 10 or 6 plus 10. So go ahead and fill in the plus 10s with a different color.
Add them.
Yeah.
That's going in a straight line.
Aha, you found the pattern. That's great. That's a time saver. So you're going to add up all the 10 column here. But then there's also a row of 10 down here at the bottom too. So this is the column where you're adding 10s. 1 plus 10, 2 plus 10, 3 plus 10. So you're going to pick a different color, Wyatt, and you're going to show us which color you're using by filling it in on the key. Yeah. Okay, and then try to go lightly when you fill it in because you picked a dark color. We won't be able to see any of the numbers anymore. So try to do it lightly so it's almost gray.
That's what I'm gonna do.
Okay.
That good?
Yes, that's pretty good. That's actually, yeah, that is actually pretty good. And then have you guys done the bottom row too?
Yeah.
Okay. while he's doing that, I know some of you are waiting and you're ready to go on to the next one. The next one we're gonna do is +9 facts. So pick another color and do the same thing for all the facts that you use 9. Okay, so you're adding 9. Don't forget this side, Wyatt, because these are all +10s done here as well. So the reason we're doing this is to kind of be looking for patterns in our addition, and then also to have kind of a tool to kind of refer back to if you need some help with studying some facts.
Wait, add 9 facts.
So the next one we're gonna do is the add 9 facts. So Wyatt's finishing up the 10 row, but if you're waiting, I don't mind if you go ahead to the 9 facts. Okay, Wyatt, will you pick a different color for the 9s? Yep.
There's the.
Might be a little darker.
Okay, you're good. Whatever color you want is fine with me.
It does what the 8s have. It has the 2 rows on the same side.
It does?
Yeah.
Okay.
Above it.
Okay.
Ooh, I see this
Or,
one.
yeah. No, it's like it's like a 10.
Okay. So adding 9 facts, you're basically gonna find the 9 rows, right? Like here and here, there's a row and then there's a column. All of those are +9s. So you wanna color those in, Wyatt,
That's
with your
what I was
purpley.
starting to notice.
What's that? However you wanna, yeah, that would be fine. There you go.
Okay. Now which one?
Okay, Wyatt, then you can just kind of color in the rest of those rows. There you go. And then up here. Yep.
Okay.
Okay. Now that was pretty quick. I know we have more to do, but it's time for us to go to lunch at school. So we'll see you later at home. And then just leave all your stuff out here, you guys. Wait, Cayenne, can you go back and push your chair in and make sure stuff isn't falling off? All right, bye at home.